Hello my beautiful people, welcome. Today we are talking about something that makes every West African smile: jollof rice. If you've ever been to a Nigerian party, you already know jollof is not just food, it's the main attraction, the real celebrity of the event. Forget the DJ, forget the decorations. If the jollof is not sweet, the whole party has failed. Now sit back, relax, and let's make a tasty ride through the world of jollof. I promise you'll be hungry by the end. You know, jollof is like that one dish that unites us and divides us at the same time. Every country in West Africa claims theirs is the best: Ghana, Senegal, Sierra Leone. But deep down, we all know Nigerian Party Smoky Jollof is king. Don't argue with me, argue with your keyboard. Think about it: long green rice cooked in rich tomato stew, fried with onions, peppers, seasoning, and that smoky flavor that only comes when the pot burns just a little at the bottom. That small burn is what we call party jollof perfume. Once you smell it, your mouth starts watering instantly. Picture this: you arrive at a wedding, you are dancing, sweating, enjoying yourself. Suddenly, you see waiters carrying trays of steaming jollof with fried beef on the side. My friend, forget the dance floor. You rush to secure your plates before it finishes. That's the power of jollof. It turns strangers into friends, and it brings joy to any occasion. The bride and the groom may not even remember the color of the ashwebi, but guests will always remember, that jollof was sweet. Now, let me gist you about something amazing. You know Chef Hilda Baci, right? The same woman who shook the world with her cookathon. Well, she's cooking up another big dream literally. This September 2025, Hilda Baci cooked the largest pot of jollof rice ever, and it made it to the World Guinness Book of Records. And the beauty of it, it's not just about breaking records, it's about showing the world how much Nigerians love their food, their culture, and their community. That one giant pot is like a giant hug, feeding everyone no matter who you are. Let's be honest, everyone has a jollof memory. Maybe it's the first time you tasted smoky jollof at a wedding, or when your mom cooked it on Christmas Day and you kept licking the spoon. Or maybe it's a plate of jollof that made you fall in love with fried plantain on the side. Jollof is not just food, it's memory, it's emotion, it's happiness in a plate. Even abroad, Nigerians still chase that taste. No matter where we go, party jollof pulls us home. You see, Hilda's giant pot is more than rice and stew. It's a reminder that we can dream big. If jollof can unite thousands of people around one pot, then imagine what we can do if we come together as a people. Food has a way of breaking walls and opening hearts. You can argue politics, you can argue football, but give someone a good plate of jollof and fried beef and suddenly you're best friends. That's the real magic of this dish. So my people, the next time you use or taste jollof, remember the story. Remember the pride of West Africa, the smoky flavor, the laughter, and yes, the giant pot that will feed thousands. Jollof is more than food. It's love, it's culture, it's celebration. And with every spoonful, we are writing our own sweet story. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm definitely gonna be seeing you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay lifted. I love you and God bless you. Bye guys.